Hello, good morning, everybody. Yeah, holy man don't come again. I say, ma, I can't lie, ma, I can't talk aproko. The only women they talk aproko before, but today, holy man always give aproko. I say, ma, I can't give an aproko today. And don't forget, in case you never subscribe to my channel, you did watch before. Today, I better make you kindly touch that red button. God will bless you for me. And don't forget to touch the notification bell. Because of anytime when I upload, you go see am. God bless you now. So Nigeria now don't describe coronavirus as a hunger virus. Now it's hunger virus. Nigeria don't kaput. Nigeria don't spoil. Nigeria don't spoil. Now, every time the things where they happen, bad when they happen for Nigeria not gree stop. That make me not gree stop. Anything I see, I dey talk am. Now, what I want to talk today now for the side chick matter. You see, some women will see their husband with another woman, dem go dey beat am. But I no advise any man to go do that. But at least when your husband, when you see someone wey dey help you to help your husband, you will still happy. Because now some women dey vex say their husband now dey cheat, and some women no, why they no, some no fit satisfy their husband. Now, okay, I want to show you something now. When something like this happen, now you see your husband with another woman, tell me what you go fit do. I want nobody know finish. I never know finish, but I want make una help me to explain this thing. Now, this woman now say she don tire. Say the husband dey, you know, see, you know wetin dey happen now. Dem dey do kelewawa, bam 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 bam. Na who dey enter for mommy? Baba oh, baba, baba you go for journey. Somebody enter for mommy sir. Oh, you go kelewawa. So now you go talk the remaining one. Say the kelewawa don too much for am. So say she no go fit bear am again o. Now she come run, come one side when be say everybody see am. Everybody see this thing o. You know, say some people always talk say holy man do dey lie. So in case you dey think say I dey lie, I wan make you put your eye well. Una see am, no be me show am o, no be me put am o. Na wetin I see for there, na I put. Now tell me the advice now wey you get now wey you wan give the woman when the woman come complain to you say the husband dey go side chick. Why you no fit perform your duty for house as a woman? You see? So I'm not at me, I don't have side chick, but we need to talk truth. One of my sister talk about side chick yesterday, abi last time. Truth, the way she talk about the side chick, she talk truth. But many people don't know why. If not because this one now come outside now, can you know what is going on? But if the man sef no be say dem dey talk, the man sef you sef you dey carry do, you dey do too much. Why everybody dey inside dey cry for hunger, you dey cry for the Lord is good. E no dey easy my brother, e no dey easy. So many things dey come up, many things dey happen. So na I say make I come tell una, make una see wetin dey happen for Bongo. People dey cry for hunger, some people dey cry for kelewawa kelewawa, you see am. So na say make I come let una know wetin dey happen o. Any advice wey una get wey una wan give, make una give us o. So make we go the next news, another one dey. So the second one I wan tell una again now be say this Nigeria, every time some funny thing dey happen, some bad thing dey happen, some good thing dey happen. For this time now when everybody dey house now dey cry for hunger, na if some people now still get mind dey kill, dey come out for road dey kill. Now this kill wey we dey kill na wetin we wan gain inside? Wetin we wan gain inside this kill? Wetin be our gain? Some dey cry if we no get money, wetin we gain? Now wetin we gain now for this killing now when people dey kill for Nigeria like say tomorrow no dey? Some go say Fulani, some go say. Now I wan make una watch this video, make una watch this video, make una see wetin dey happen. In case you never watch am before, oya watch am.
The community, despite the social distancing directive of the state government as part of measures to curtail the spread of coronavirus, protested against the killing of 2 residents of the community by suspected herdsmen. The headless bodies of the victims were on the ground, just as some used AK canisters were at the scene of the incident, an indication that the victims were killed by gunmen before their heads were severed. The situation resulted to blockade of the Benin-Akure Expressway by aggrieved residents of the community, thereby creating traffic gridlock on the road. Narrating the ordeal, some elders and women of the community said the victims were killed on Tuesday evening when returning from the farms. The residents, while lamenting unending attacks by suspected herdsmen, said they now live in fear due to the incessant attacks on residents of the community. They were returning from the farm yesterday.
So una see am, dem don dey kill people now when they come back for farm. People wey dey go farm now, wetin una wan make we do? Dey house no dey safe. Na wetin una want now make we talk now concern this matter. Wetin we get now? I don tire. I talk, e no gree finish. Now people now when they go farm now, now dem start to dey kill again. No be kidnappers again o. We talk now only Nigeria now we dey see all those bad things. Nigeria na im Boko Haram dey. Nigeria na im Fulani herdsmen abi Fulani herdswomen dey, no thing dey call them. Na Nigeria na im militants dey. Nigeria kidnappers, Nigeria armed robber. Different kind of name na we dey get for Nigeria. We never get good name for Nigeria. Why our Nigeria come dey different everywhere? Nigeria, you go bush, Nigeria, you go farm, Nigeria, anywhere you go, Nigeria. Why una no dey like to show good example? Although they say like father, like son. Why e no go be like father, like son? The leaders wey we get, dem dey good? Dem no good. Na copyright, dem dey copy all those things for leaders hand. Tell me how many leaders now when they post now, when they from up post to down. Tell me who enter the post without a hand not stained for blood. Tell me. Everybody. You see am? So if I talk now, then say no, I do dey talk. Why I no go talk? Wetin I dey see dey pain me. All those killing of things, no only Nigeria we dey see am. Why Nigeria own come dey different? Is it because of the country is younger than the leaders? And the leaders dey old. They're supposed to make they use the old sense to control the country, to put everybody in order. No. make only me kill and eat. Na him make meat animal escape from hunters because he wan make e kill. Eat alone, chop alone, die alone. Na wetin dey kill dem. Na dis na lie dey talk. So make we still look another one wey dey happen, my brother. I don tire. If Asa no go talk, today na suppose to rest. But if Asa no go talk, bad thing go dey come. You see am? So let's see another one. Now the next one I wan talk now. These people now when dem say dem lock dem inside house, make dem dey inside house. People, okay, if you wan go outside now go buy wetin you wan eat now, dem go kill you. Now the house where dem dey now, the people now wey buy food now keep because dem say lock yourself inside, dem no want to see outside. No light to preserve the food. All the whole food wey dem buy don spoil. You see am? Now wetin go make dem no describe the country hunger virus? Hunger virus. Person wey hungry kill and person wey Fulani kill and person wey corona kill, tell me difference wey dey. Na the same. It's better you kukuma come outside. Corona kill you better pass than hunger kill you. Now look wetin I wan show you. The people wey buy food now, dem dey cry now for the food wey dem buy. Dem no see am again because the food don kaput. E don spoil for inside house because no light. Only the country, no light, no water. Dem no dey see better good news for that country. Bad. Oh yeah, lis ten.
It has been a tale of losses for residents and business owners as the blackout in the area continued to take its toll on residents. Some residents said they assisted by making several financial contributions to repair the transformer serving the area before it finally packed up. They said although they are owing BEDC, they are appealing that electricity be restored to the area to revive socio-economic activities. The electricity situation has subjected businesses in the area to now rely on generating sets and other avenues to meet up the demands of customers.
This is the 5th month again. We are in the darkness. Now look what I use for light. That's my small radio. Now the text is no light, and I'm paying 24,000.
You know they see like they say. We just dey manage the business based on say now wetin we take dey take off our children. So the real issue concerning the light, you don't let us know.
All these things where they happen now, they say make we sit down for us. We never sit telling me and they look, I not see light. They look wetin they happen for town now. Now they say, now they hear everything.
Transformer breakdown. Then we went ahead and repaired it ourselves. After we went and repaired it, almost 3 weeks again, the transformer breakdown again. We went ahead and gathered ourselves again and let us see what we can do. We went ahead and repaired the transformer again. After 3 days, the transformer breakdown. So we now call the person and BDC. They are telling us that we should go and purchase our transformer by ourselves. And we have been paying bills.
And the man that was repairing it said he has no life again. That we should ask for a new transformer. But the problem is that anytime we demand for light, they will say we are going good. We are owing, we are not saying we are not owing. We must have light to do business, to pay your bill.
When contacted for comments, the PRO, Benin Electricity Distribution Company, Mrs. Gloria Mbawu, said the area has been owing the company even before the transformer went bad. She advised the residents to explore BEDC complaints channels and processes, which start with official reporting of the incident to the business unit office.
Yes, it's true. The areas whole. You don't see where you go dey pay money, you never see light. That man now say since 5 months, no light. But he dey pay 24,000 naira. How can you be happy doing something that is not good by you? Suffering and smiling. It's not good. That is the problem we have in this country, in Nigeria. In Europe, this Europe now, I don't know how they do their light. Wait till I know much time than you pay for light. Light one day never off. If light is off, you know say na your house, maybe get what you plug when not good. You go your control switch, you go on and back. Now Nigeria, you go see say light, they fire himself like where Dangote motor, Dangote trailer, they climb hill. Nigeria light up, down, up. Everything about Nigeria, no one is stable. You talk fuel today, price tomorrow. Tomorrow price today. Now They say they don't reduce price of fuel. Where you want to take the fuel go? This country, what they call Nigeria, it don't tire many people. If I say no go talk, then say make I talk. You see, huh? My brother, may we go another news with you. This one, all those Nigeria people don't tire. They gave it the one that won't show now. When happened for Nigeria? This one a police officer. People where they say make them they secure people. Make una see what them they do. Look, this police well. Look, make una see what they happen for here. Whether a woman being be this one, I been a goat. Make una see what they happen for here. Yeah, it's okay. What you see for here? Now police they drag person like this. We don't know what the person do. Not be thief. You go keep person throw away like it. You see the way Nigeria they talk. No sense. I go kill you throw away. I go kill you throw away because when you keep person, Nigeria now don't become. Everybody in Nigeria now is animal. They as far as you have gun, you can kill. Nobody will ask you what nobody will talk. As far as you are in the position to hold gun, they will kill you, nobody will talk am. And nobody will talk am truth. True, nobody will talk am. You see am? You go kill human being throw away because you dey position to hold gun. God, come and help us. Come and help us for this Nigeria country. Because why you are they concerned for the country? Because I have plenty people there. Plenty people dey there. My mama dey there. My family dey there. That's why they talk. Government, make una. If I talk now we want be manage itself, we want be now we will come repair am because if we talk government, gain not dey. Government gain not dey. Anything concern government, count them out. Gain not dey. No count Nigerian government as a government. They are all animal. See now, for this, tell me good thing now when you see now for this thing when I dey show you. No one get head. They say Nigeria, kill. They know different kind of story when don't get head. You see? My brother, let's go another news job. I don't come again. See people when they see me they stay home. Government now, I tell you now, before they yab una well say una no dey try, una no dey try. I don't know say that why when they kill them because una dey give them food, they no wan listen. You see how? God go bless una. If this food one they give them, this good food one they give them, say na him una when be government they eat, God go bless una well. If this food one I give people for house, make them stay house, una never eat that food, God go punish all of una one by one. Started from president. As far as you dey position for Nigeria, you no go better for you. Oh yeah, listen, the food one they give them, better food. Oh yeah, see am. You see am? You see the food? Sorry. But when I not first, when I see the food when they give them this. You see am? A whole full building for full building, one bread. Now they give them. You know they see? When I tell and say this country, this Nigeria country, the only themselves they know not say a lie they talk. They no let themselves. You see, my brother, we need to be wise. Now, Nigeria said they don't want China again for Nigeria because of wetin dey happen. Make una see wetin dey happen for Nigeria now because of wetin China do Nigeria. Nigeria retaliate. Nigeria take that one as a revenge. They don't want China again. So, I will not be only Nigeria. We dey talk. We still dey talk about China. Make una see wetin Nigeria do China company because they say they don't want China again. Oh yeah, make una look am. See, problem don full on Nigeria. Full problem everywhere. Nigeria too. This one under 2 days. See different things dey happen. Kill. This one now police now kill again. Oh yeah, listen. I know dey Nigeria, but the way they say now they bring the show. See am. You see am? So you see wetin I dey talk. Before, if armed robber dey pursue you, you run go station go stay. If you see armed robber before, you run. When you see police, you feel happy. You at least you feel comfortable. But now nobody dey comfortable with Nigerian police. Nobody dey comfortable again. No one dey comfortable for Nigerian police. When you see police before, you happy. Look at now. This one now look at wetin Nama do for road. Talk less of inside bush. See wetin Nama do. See wetin Nama do for road. Who know wetin happen for bush? See wetin police dey do for physical. Who know the one they dey do for secret? Who know? People when you dey protect, now you dey kill them. You see life? People when you supposed to protect, you dey kill them. You kill anyhow because you have gun. You kill anyhow because you have right. Nobody will talk am. The funny thing now be say when police kill person now, maybe community gather and dem catch the police, then take the police now go station. Tomorrow when you come again, they tell you they don't transfer am. They don't transfer the police. You know they're there again. No? You see? Wetin go make people no vex? People dey provoke. Many people, boys obinu, not be small gbogbo. Like wetin dey happen? See, no, seriously. I think this time of Buhari, I think 9 wars pass. My people talk and say, not be the annoyance when soup take boil for fire, not be take the boil when they carry and come down. This country, one of the 6 Nigeria country, on a very good day, I pray which I think make it not happen. No? Because this time I think overtaking is allowed for Nigeria. Overtaking is allowed. Overtaking is allowed. When I'm talk, people think I'm joking. I'm not joking. What I see is what I'm saying. I talked last time, go to my village now. Fulani there. They are there, killing. Kidnapping. People where they go from, now then they kidnap now. If you talk, then say why you talk. If you not talk, then say you not talk. You no go talk, talk will not go talk himself. Even Jesus Christ, God self, when He say, love your neighbor as yourself. But Nigeria, not even love their brother at the place of neighbor. They don't even. For where you fear for police, how you go dey comfortable with ordinary person when near you? No, you can't. Never. When you talk, if many people, I told you before, Oyemakono, who knows it go be? That means many people still dey that Nigeria country. Not be saying that they Nigeria because of Nigeria too good or Nigeria. Many people dey there, no opportunity, nothing. They are just there. Now, if not because of this thing will happen now, for no, say Nigeria, so thing dey happen. Every day, I'm always pray for Nigeria. God, help the people when they in Nigeria. God, help Nigerian citizens. Because they are not safe. Instead of hunger, they are not safe. Security, they are not safe. Like good living, they are not safe. Tell me where they're safe. If you build better house now with your hard-earned money, not politicians, you're not safe. Tell me, how person go take safe for that country? Tell me. Nothing one person they do for the country, one person they safe. You see? Nothing for the country, nobody they safe apart from the politicians. You talk about the government. I showed now last time the money they carry. The money EFCC they recover money every day for Nigeria, but I never see the budget what they can do. And many people now they donate money for federal government. I never see how they use money. My brother saying on television in the hearing, he never say for I hear now say Europe now don't donate another money for them. Till today now never see anything. Wetin go make boys in office? But wetin they pay me now these people when they kill, I beg make una go dey kill the people not supposed to kill. Although now then send themselves. And for some they go kill the leader. Now the leader send them. Tell me whether they produce AK-47 for Nigeria. Tell me whether they produce bomb for Nigeria. Not be for the leader's hand. Because you want to lead, because you want to be president or governor or senator, you make sure say you possess gun, give boys to fight for you. When everything finish, you push them. Now you don't know them again. You take the police to guide you. But now they are hungry. They begin to use the gun to do another thing. But I pray, I ask God, touch these people hard. Make them know the people whereby they are gone, the family. Make them go the family, go they kill them. Make them go they kill them. Not be people like my mama want to know anything. Where go far? I tell her last time, no check. No governor Pikin where you see for this where you see for Libya Road. No president Pikin. Well, even local government chairman Pikin, councillor, you no go see the Pikin for Libya Road because they are living well. I told one journalist last time, I tell her say, anybody, any man or woman you see for this Libya Road, the person no come because he feel comfortable. Two things involved. Either hunger virus, they live well, or something they pursue am. Nobody, some security not there because maybe they commit, they run for their dear life. So maybe then they pursue them, Boko Haram pursue them. Nobody when you see will follow that road will not have different reason. Nobody went in Nigeria when they feel comfortable, say you won't go enter Mediterranean Sea or you won't go desert, go you know what you know so far when they desert. Nobody. We not come here, nobody come here going to deceive you. Yeah, Nigeria, I have a 3-story building, I have a 6 car, my shop, from here to this. Now you can enter Libya Road. So far, now you carry many people enter Libya Road. suffer. And the ones wey talk say no, I no wan do this job wey dem send me, or the one many things pursue people comot for Nigeria. Nobody comot for Nigeria because I feel comfortable. If anyone come here tell you say why I come for Nigeria, I just wan make I come now as Europe be, I go back again. Na im make you come follow Libya. Na im make you come follow Libya. I no wan because I wan come see Europe, man, I just see Europe, I go back. I come follow Libya. If dem deny me for visa 2 times, I no go stay house. Because you wan come see Libya, you wan come see Europe as e be. Na im make you come follow Libya, follow desert, come Europe. Then you say finish, you come go back again. My brother, it's a lie. Tell us the truth so that we know how to help you. We all hustlers. God, I thank you. I thank you for everything. Thank you for opportunity you give us. Thank you for the ones you save. Thank you for the life of the ones who die. I give you praise. I glorify your name. I still thank you for the people that subscribe to my channel, my friends, my family, my love, the one that love me. I love you people too. God bless you people. Thank you. As you people subscribe to my channel, as you people supporting me, God is going to support you people. Thank you. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye. Thank you. Before we say one Nigeria, but now I think say na two Nigeria be now. Thank you. Goodbye.